Hi everyone, this is Melissa Moak again, and this is week 6 of winter semester here for CIT 365. We are doing something kind of similar, but at the same time kind of different than we've been doing the last couple of weeks. So we've got another kind of calculator type thing here, kind of like our Mega Desk, but this is using the Universal Windows I think it's platform is what the P is. It's a UWP type application, which is a very interesting type of application because it's similar but at the same time very different from the forms that we were using these last couple of weeks. So I just want to walk you through my application and give you a little demo on what it does. So we were asked to kind of reproduce the Glazer calculator, which basically gives you the dimensions of a window that you can use. And this was in the yellow book on page 44 in chapter 2. So the Glazer calculator, we have to give it a window or a window width between these two numbers and a window height between these two numbers. And then we added a tint to it, either black, brown, or blue, and then a quantity of how many we want for the windows. So if we're like a big corporation, you know, and we need 100, it's got this nice, easy input here so that you can see exactly how many for the quantity you have, rather than having to try and pull this and then try and remember what the number was. So let's say that we want 20, we want the tint of them to be maybe blue, and then we go to give the width a number between these two numbers. Now let's say we do something outside those. Okay, so if I input 0 here, I've got this nice little validation that says the width must be between 0.0 or 0.5 and 5 meters. So I can get rid of that and it'll tell me, oh no, the width field can't be empty. So that makes it nice such that I can actually have that be required. If I were to go try and submit my form right now, it would tell me the width field can't be empty and the height field can't be empty. So I can go in here now and put in a good number and the thing goes away. And then I can put in a good number here. The error goes away. And I can click submit and it will give me this nice little dialog box showing me the order details. So the order date was the 17th, which is today. The width was 4 meters. Height was 2 meters. The tint was blue. And the quantity was 20. And then, per the Glazer calculator that we are mimicking this off of from the book, it now gives the length of the wood required is 39 feet. It does a meters to feet conversion. And then the area of the glass required is 16 square meters. So that is my application. I hope this meets the requirements for the demo. Thanks so much for watching.